Okay, Patrick, we cleaned it, sprayed it down, wiped it down with a patch. It's dry. Then you take, careful you don't spring the sprung, put it on the rails. Make sure it goes on the back rails correctly. Goes on the ejector goes in the groove. Back rails. Push it all the way. Oops. That little thing has to be down. Down. All the way back. Come on, devil, get in there. Come on. There we go. All the way in. Push it in hard. Get. It's not going in correctly. It won't go in correctly until it's correct. Now what is our problem here? This is all in right. Spring's in right. This is down. The disconnect has to be down. Safety's off. There we go. All right, now that it's locked back, and the disconnect goes back, and then you pull this. It won't shoot until you put the magazine in. Click. It works. It's together. There we are.